Common phrasal verbs with look. Look after. Look after. It means to take care of. Examples: a babysitter looks after the children when we go out. I looked after my nephew last week. Look around. Look around. It means to visit a place. Examples: potential buyers came to look around the house. We have 1 hour to look around the city. Look at. Look at. It means to pay attention to something. Examples: look at this picture of Granddad when he was young. Look at that boy. He is my friend. Look ahead. Look ahead. It means to think of the future. Examples: it's time to forget the past and look ahead. We need to look ahead to make realistic plans. Look away. Look away. It means to turn your head away. Examples: the scene was so horrible that I had to look away. Don't look away. It's an important scene. Look back on. Look back on. It means to remember the past. Examples: older people look back on the good old days. I always look back on my childhood. Look down on. Look down on. It means to consider yourself better. Examples: he looks down on anyone who isn't successful. He looks down on anyone who isn't educated. Look for. Look for. It means try to find something. Examples: Jane went shopping to look for a pair of shoes. I looked for this dress everywhere. Are you looking for anything these days? Comment below. Look forward to. Look forward to. It means to await with pleasure. Examples: I look forward to seeing you next week. She looks forward to her wedding night. Look in on someone. Look in on someone. It means to visit for a short time. Examples: Sue told her mother she'd look in on her way home. I promised to look in on my dad. Look into. Look into. It means to examine. Examples: I'll look into the matter and call you back. Police are looking into the disappearance of 2 children. Look on. Look on. It means to witness an event. Examples: Bill didn't take part in the fight. He just looked on. Alex tried to help us. The rest just looked on in silence. Look out. Look out. It means be careful. Examples: Look out, there's a car coming. Look out, he's got a gun. Look over. Look over. It means to examine. Examples: He will look over the article before it is published. Do you have a few minutes to look these samples over? Look around. Look around. It means to inspect a building. Examples: You should take her to look around the ruins. Do you have to pay to look around the castle? Look through. Look through. It means to examine. Examples: I looked through my mail to find your message. I've looked through all my papers to find the contract. Look to. Look to. It means to accept help. Examples: Children generally look to their parents for guidance. We look to you for support. Look up. Look up. It means to check or find. Examples: You can look up the meaning in the dictionary. I didn't know anything about it, so I looked it up on the internet. Look up to. Look up to. It means to respect. Examples: He was a great teacher. The students looked up to him. My mom looked up to me after I won the game. Look upon. Look upon. It means to consider. Examples: I look upon this country as my home now. She looked upon me as her own child. Subscribe to my channel for more phrasal verb videos and share with your friends.